Today, we're diving into one of Apple's iconic smartphones, the iPhone 11. Released in 2019, this device brought a ton of improvements to the table and remains a great choice for many users today. So let's get into the specs and see what makes this phone so special. First off, the iPhone 11 has a sleek aluminum and glass body. The 6.1-inch Liquid Retina HD display offers a sharp, vibrant viewing experience. It's not OLED, but it still delivers a crisp 1792 x 828 resolution, making it perfect for streaming, browsing, and gaming. iPhone 11 packs Apple's A13 Bionic chip. This is the same chip that powered the iPhone 11 Pro models, so you're getting top-tier performance. Whether you're gaming, editing photos or videos, or running multiple apps at once, the A13 ensures everything runs smoothly with incredible speed and efficiency. It also features a 4-core GPU, which enhances graphics performance, making everything from video playback to mobile gaming smooth and enjoyable. On the back, you've got a dual camera setup, including a 12-megapixel wide lens and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This gives you a 120-degree field of view, which is perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or tight spaces. The wide camera now includes night mode, which automatically kicks in when lighting is low, helping you capture clearer, brighter photos at night. For selfies, you're looking at a 12-megapixel front camera, which can shoot 4K video and also has a feature called Slo-Fi. Yes, you heard that right, slow motion selfies. It's perfect for creative shots. Plus, the front camera supports portrait mode, making your self-portraits look even more professional. In terms of battery life, iPhone 11 offers all-day usage with its 3110 mAh battery. You can expect up to 17 hours of video playback and up to 10 hours of streaming. It also supports 18 watts fast charging, so if you're in a rush, you can get a significant charge boost in about 30 minutes. When it comes to storage, the iPhone 11 comes in two options: 64GB and 128GB. While this might seem a little limited compared to some higher-end models, it's still a solid choice for most people, especially with iCloud integration that helps you store files and photos online. Running on iOS 13 at launch, the iPhone 11 introduced a bunch of new features, including dark mode, improved privacy controls, and enhanced photo editing tools. It's still supported by Apple with regular updates. Some other things to note are the iPhone 11's water and dust resistance, with an IP68 rating, meaning it can be submerged up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. You also get Face ID, Apple's secure facial recognition system for unlocking your phone and authenticating purchases. And of course, you get the signature quality of Apple's ecosystem, with smooth integration across devices like Macs, iPads, and Apple Watches. To wrap it up, the iPhone 11 is a fantastic phone that delivers solid performance, a powerful camera system, and great battery life, all in a sleek, well-built design. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of the more expensive iPhone 11 Pro models, it's a fantastic option for anyone looking for a capable, reliable device still worth considering in 2025. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you've used the iPhone 11 and what you think of it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews and updates.